Ashley Alexandra, and I'm back again with another video. And as you guys can see, I'm in my natural, all natural, and all my brow. This is my brows, and I waxed my brows in a previous video. So if you haven't seen that video, go check it out. It will be in my description box down below. And now I'm about to wax my legs, which I already did. You guys will see. This is my leg right here. You guys see how nice it is? This is one. This is the other one, all hairy. And what's that? That it's hairy. If you guys would like to see how I wax my leg, just stay tuned. And let's get right into the video. So my hair grows down, so I'm gonna put a wax coming up. Ooh, I'm gonna put it. Ooh, look at me. See. And yes, I know my leg is pretty hairy. But that is why we're doing a wax. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. Now we gotta pull up. Ooh. Oh. Da la 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 la. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, one. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, press. When you pull in, apply the pressure. So look at it. Okay. Move this. Now I'm going in front like this. And that's. Ooh! Ah! You guys see the lower down here? Look at up. That's look like here. Look at down there. You see the difference? Ooh. Ooh. Ow. Ooh. I just gonna hat this over once again onto your leg. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. You pull in the opposite direction because actually pull in the opposite direction because you don't want to ingrown hair and you don't want to bump. Okay? Oh la la, this gonna hot. I hope you guys watch. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay. I mean over these now.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 o'clock in the night, you know her mother.
Yep.
What a bright light is.
I did a video. Ooh. 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 Okay. So now good. Ow, ow. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. 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 Ow. Ow. Ooh. 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 You know what? Ooh. Ah! Guys, it was my first time waxing and I know I did not do it 100% correctly, but I got results, so that's the good part. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like, comment, and hit subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts. Thank you. So I hope you guys enjoy my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can get alert when I post a new video. And check out my DIY sugar wax. I wax under my armpit. I have that video in the description box down below. And my wax brow tutorial. As you guys can see, I'm all natural right now. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at ajaeli.01. That is AJAELE.01. And on Snapchat, exo28_beauty. That is moi, not you. That's me, not you. So check out my social media accounts and follow me. Bye.